Greetings my dear friends, in today's car show video we will watch an unusually mid-sized SUV. It is a 2021 Peugeot 3008 GT. Current Peugeot 3008 is a genuine frontrunner in the crossover class. That's thanks to its top-notch interior, up-to-date in-car tech, refined drive and competitive engine range. Let's see in POV drive all the details about this car. Enjoy! This car is practical and good to drive, if not quite as enjoyable as some other rivals. It's comfortable, too, with a well-judged ride that's firm enough to stop it feeling bouncy, but soft enough to glide over bumps in the road. For many, the Peugeot 3008 will offer everything they need. It's economical, practical and upmarket, all at a reasonable price. If you're after a small SUV or crossover, the 3008 should definitely be one to consider. A facelift has seen the latest version of the Peugeot 3008 adopt the looks of more recent stablemates. The design updates aren't drastic, but new side scoops in the bumper and a frameless grille give the 3008 a fresher and more contemporary edge. The 10.1-inch central infotainment display is easy enough to navigate around, which you'll need to do for climate controls. Importantly these days, the system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, digital radio and native navigation. The 3008 is smaller than other SUVs in this segment, but not markedly so. Measuring in at 4,447 mm long, most other medium-sized SUVs are a little longer. But other measurements, 1,624 mm of height and 1,841 mm of width, are par for the course. The gear shifter, kind of resembling a handbrake, feels quality to operate. And the storage in front and along the side works well for the day-to-day carriage. You get a clear view of the big 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and zero obstruction of the road ahead. In a way, it feels kind of liberating at first to drive and get used to. The interior is lovely to look at and competitively roomy for its class. It is missing a few useful extras like USB ports, that really should be everywhere at this kind of money, but you can't have everything, I suppose. The front seats really are very comfortable, and with the fancy pants massage function going, along with heating in winter, you're well looked after. They look pretty racy but are not at all grabby or uncomfortable. The rear seats are well shaped for two. The middle seat may not be to anyone's taste for longer journeys. The 3008 ships with Peugeot's 1.6-liter turbo petrol 4-cylinder, spinning up 121 kilowatts and 240 newton meters, both handy if not outstanding figures. All 3008s are front-wheel drive, with the petrol Allure and GT line getting the power down with the aid of a 6-speed auto. You'll see 100 km per hour in a scooch under 10 seconds, which isn't quick. If you want a fast 3008, there isn't one, but given the car's looks, there should be. The 53-liter fuel tank drains premium unleaded at the rate of 7.0 liters/100 km on the combined cycle,